In today's video, you're going to be learning how to create talking fruits videos. Like I've gotten these questions from some of my subscribers. They want to learn how to talk about how to make these trending videos about talking fruits. Some of them are talking about health tips and all that. And these kind of videos are actually trending online. Guys, take a look
Yo,
at
I'm
this.
Avocado. My healthy fats feed your brain and protect your heart. I keep you full and help control bad cholesterol.
I'm Banana! Feeling tired? I'm your quick energy friend.
Those kind of
I'm rich in
videos is what we're
potassium to
going to
support
be
your
learning
muscles and
how
nerves.
to create today, and we are going to be using free tools. Yes, you don't have to pay for any of the tools we are going to be using to create these videos, and you can create it unlimited. Like you can create as many as you want and post it on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Like this kind of videos are actually monetized here on YouTube. You can actually make create these videos and post them on YouTube and get monetized by making this. Some of you don't want to show your face on screen and you want to make money on YouTube. This is a go for viral new niche for you. So guys, I'm going to teach you in a bit how to do this. And if you have any other ideas like videos that are trending online, you don't know how to create them and you would like me to do a tutorial on it, on how to create those videos, please drop it in the comment section. And if you want the prompts that I'm going to be using to make this kind of videos, okay, that I'll be showing you today, you check in the description. I'm going to just type in the description that you want. Just type the word prompts in the description and I'm going to send it to you. Okay, type the word prompts in the description and I'm going to send you the prompts right in the comment section. So guys, just watch and learn how to make this video and start catching out on YouTube and other social media platforms. Please do well to subscribe to the Creative Susan's YouTube channel for more amazing videos. So guys, this tutorial is actually going to be a very short one. So I'm going to, once you type you comment the word prompt, I'm going to send you this particular prompt you're seeing on the screen. This is the free version of ChatGPT. So what you're going to be typing is, give me 10 motion prompts with different talking fruits, different styles like this prompt, and voice over script for each of the fruits, and give healthy tips and benefits of eating them. Okay, so this is the prompt that you're going to be, once you copy this prompt, you paste it into your ChatGPT. So I'm going to be showing you the process step by step so that you get everything. Okay, so once you tap on copying the prompts that I'm going to send for you, you open a new chat in ChatGPT. Okay, you paste it there. Let me just remove this one is not included in it. So here is the prompt. Okay, this is what I'm going to be sending to you as well. So here is the prompt. So once you get to this stage, you click on generate. Okay, so ChatGPT is actually going to give you 10 different talking fruit motion prompts and ready to use voice over scripts. Like you're going to be getting both the prompt to generate your talking AI character and also the voice over script. So we have number one here is apple, we have banana, we have orange, we have strawberry. So I'm going to be going for this strawberry now. Okay, we have avocado as well, pineapple. So we are going to be going for strawberry. Okay, so all you have to do is to copy the prompt. Let's click on select. We are going to copy both the prompt and the voice over script. Okay, we are copying both the prompts and the voice over script. Then you're going to go to this free AI tool. If you don't have Grok AI in your phone, you can actually download it from Google Play Store. So when you get to this interface, you click on imagine. Okay, click on imagine and paste in your prompt here. So when you paste in your prompt, you see this is actually on image. If you generate it like this, it will not become a video for you. So you change it to a video, because what you actually want is a video. Okay, so once your prompt and you've changed it to video, then you hit on generate. So Grok is actually very fast when it comes to generating images, and it generates high quality images. But if you check after generating and it doesn't give you what you want, you try again. Okay, go back and paste in your prompts. You just, if you, it has to come with making adjustments, because when it comes to creating videos with AI, if it doesn't give you what you want, you try to be creative. Think about it. What does it what do I need to add to this to get good results? So let's check it
I'm
out.
Strawberry. I help your skin look bright and youthful. I'm packed with antioxidants that slow aging and keep your skin smooth. I'm Strawberry. I help your
Can you
skin look
see?
bright and youthful. I'm packed with
Can you
antioxidants
take a
that slow
look at
aging
this
and keep your
video?
skin smooth.
So
I'm
this is
Strawberry. I help your
actually
skin look
good.
bright
I
and
like this
youthful. I'm packed
particular
with
one. So all I
antioxidants
have
that
to
slow
do now
aging and
is
keep your
to
skin
click on
smooth.
download,
I'm Strawberry. I
and
help
it's
your
going
skin
to
look bright and
save
youthful.
directly
I'm packed
to
with
my phone.
antioxidants that slow aging and keep your skin smooth. I'm
So as you can see, I've actually done other ones. Like, let us try another one as well. This one is avocado. We have pineapple and other ones. So let's go for avocado. Okay, so all you have to do is to copy it. You go back to your Grok AI.
I'm Strawberry.
Okay, just go back, click on imagine, and type in your prompt. Just paste it here and make sure it's on video. Okay, make sure it's on video and click on generate. You give it few seconds and it's going to generate good quality videos for you to post on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, like you name it, all the social media platforms, and you start catching out from it ASAP. So if you found value in this video, please do well to like this video, engage on this video, so that you encourage me to continue making this kind of videos for you, so that we'll all make this money together.
Yo, I'm Avocado. My healthy fats feed your brain and protect your heart. I keep
Can
you
you
full and
take a
help
look
control
at
bad
this?
cholesterol. Yo, I'm
Can
Avocado.
you take
My
a
healthy
look at
fats feed your
this?
brain and protect your heart.
So we are
I
going
keep
to
you full and
download
help
this
control
as
bad
well. It
cholesterol.
looks
Yo,
absolutely
I'm
good.
Avocado. My healthy fats feed your brain and protect your heart. I keep you